recording, okay? Okay, so the next part is we're gonna draw a circle, basically the same way we did, but we're gonna go further. We're gonna divide the circle into 12 sections. I'm gonna give you a really quick way to do it. So watch this. I'm gonna use ellipse tool. When I draw the circle, I want to hold down Shift key. Now, if you want to only do the template, you want to turn off the fill. You see this fill box here? You want to turn it to none. See that none? You turn that off. So you will see like under fill box, there's a red line across, which means there's nothing inside the circle, no color. The stroke, because it's template, you want it to be 0.25. 0.25 is plenty, okay? And then we start drawing. If you draw a circle, you want to hold the Shift key. Hold out the Shift key. Just hold out the Shift key. Just draw like that. Nothing fancy. When you look under your property window, there's a couple of things you want to recognize. First, that 9 square right here, they call it reference points. I want you to make sure you select the middle one, the very center. The 9 square right here, when I'm circle, I want you to select the middle one, okay? When it comes to x, because we 8.5 vertically, 11, I want you to divide 8.5. So 8.5, if you're good in math, this direction is x. So 11 divided by 2 would be 5.5, right, for x? Please don't say anything when I'm recording. And the next thing you want is, this is 8.5. So half of 8, let's just make it 4, okay? Let's go down further. So make it 2.5. Don't worry about the quarter. Oh, sorry, I make a mistake. See that? So I can move the circle down just a little like that. See how I can move by myself? You see the vertical violet lights on, and it's at 4.25. What do I mean? 4.25. 4.25. So it's right in the middle. See that? Now we're gonna lock this. So we draw this circle, and we want the width. So we need to lock this. See that? We lock this. We want the width is 4, just like last time. Nothing changed. And the see, I don't need to do anything. I just make the width is 4, and I lock the proportion, and it 4x4. That's it. Now this circle, I will lock this drawing. Okay, so after I draw the circle, I don't want the circle move by accident. I will go to Object, Lock, Selection. See that? Object, Lock, Selection. Now I cannot move the circle. See? Next, and this is pretty cool, I'm going to show you a different way to divide your section into 12 sections. Make sure you lock your circle by select, and then go to Object, Lock, Selection. I'm going to select the line tool, and pay attention. I hold down my Shift key, and I move my cursor down here. You see that? Until I say anchor, and that is the vertical smart guys on, and I move my cursor without clicking. When it's on the circle, I will click. Okay, so like this. See, it's on, click. Hold down my Shift key, draw a line across the circle to the other side. When it say path, I let my mouse go, and I let my Shift key go. See how I draw that straight line? Very easy, right? Let me do one more time. I'm going to select light tool. I'm going to go and just hover it. You see when I hover, you see the violet line across the circle. I'm going to move it in until it's on the circle at the bottom. When it say anchor, I click, hold down shift key, draw across it, go to the other side of the circle. When it say anchor again, let the mouse go and let the shift key go. Make sense? Now, I'm going to go to object, transform. This time, okay? We use transform. We're going to rotate under transform. Click on rotate. We're going to rotate at minus 15 degree. Just like last time. Minus 15. But we click OK first. Click OK first. See? Now, the next time is going to be very different. So pay attention. Object, transform, rotate. This time, minus 30. So we're going to make a copy. Okay? Make a copy. Now, the next thing is different, but it's really cool. Object, transform. Guess what? Transform again. Object, transform again. What you're telling the software is do exactly the same thing I just did. If it's happened, right? If you want that. See? Then go object, transform again. See? Object, transform again. Now, one last time. Object, transform again. Boom! You have everything divided just 1 minute. You're going to select. Now go to selection tool. Hit V key. And then you're going to select everything. And you're going to lock it. Okay? Lock it. Object, lock, selection. The template is done. Now we're ready. Correct? All right, that's part 2.